Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are happy and healthy at your home. Are you? Yes. Okay. As you all know that we had already learned up to O sound in our previous classes. So let's start with letter P. Which letter? P. Letter P sound is P. Which sound? P. P says pumpkin. P, P, P. P says parrot. P, P, P. P says peacock. P, P, P. So our next letter is Q. Which letter? Q. And the letter Q sound is qua. Which sound? Qua. Qua says quick. Qua, qua, qua. Qua says quit. Qua, qua, qua. Qua says quack. Qua, qua, qua. So our next letter is R. Which letter? R. And the letter R sound is R. Which sound? R. Yes. R says ribbon. R, r, r. R says row. R, r, r. R says rat. R, r, r. So children, our next letter is S. Which letter? S. And the letter S sound is S. Which sound? Says snake. Says sun. Says sleep. So children, our next letter is T. Which letter? T. And the letter T sound is T. Which sound? T. T says table. T, T, T. T says tree. T, T, T. T says tub. T, T, T. So children, our next letter is U. Which letter? U. And the letter U sound is A. Which sound? A. A says A. A, A, A. A says umpire. A, A, A. A says umbrella. A, A, A. So children, today we have learned the sound P, qua, r, s, t and a. So children, you have to learn all these sounds every day. And now it's time to say bye-bye.